Good day and hello, this is Matthew and Dazzle. This is 217 Top Trades. Let's go. So today is my 6 week indeed with you guys. So I guys hope you guys are watching it, learned something. I will be giving you probably a little bit of rundown of what happened of my 6 weeks so far and where we are in the market, and we'll maybe give you some charts and stuff like that. But we were at all-time highs, and then we slowly pulled back, and then now we went down below the 50-day moving average, and now down below the 100-day moving average um, for one or two of the indexes, and then we kind of have went right back up just a little bit. So we are bouncing a little bit from the bottom, but there are a ton of different events going on right now. We have the debt ceiling, we have the China Evergrande news that is fully developing over there, and then there is let's see, a couple other things that are driving the markets in one way or the other. But we were looking at just a chop fest today, folks. Anyways, let me get down to it. Tesla, it rose today on perhaps good earnings and good delivery numbers out there in China. It jumped up 2%, up to 791. AMD also rose up to 108, up 2.2%. Moderna vaccines, they have been high flyers. I'll have you guys note, have been dropping the past few sessions. So just look out for that. It's down to 408, down 5%, along with, I put down here BNTX, BioNTech. It's down to 307, down 7.9%. So you guys just have to watch out for that. Another high flyer actually is Pulse right now. It was actually up 36% the other day, and then a continuation today of 34%. So that's a healthy gain there. It's up to 5.4, up 5%, at 34.5%. Excuse me. And then Annie, it also rose on perhaps news rumored of Elon Musk might be joining their board after they merge in October with Sphere 3D. But they're up 14%, up to 6.73. Rewalk, they had an offering of $32.5 million, so it got lowered down 24%, down to 1.76. Let's see, other high flyer that was recently, Bros, it's down 10%, down 46%. Garmin also lost 5.8%, down to 162. McDonald's, it rose after they released a 7% dividend hike up to $1.38 per share, up to $248. So look out for that. That's a good one. CEI, they had good volume. Camber Energy on news that perhaps that they would look into carbon capture, energy, and usage. It's been running up steadily, like just a whole bunch. It's up 33% today, up to 2.7 on huge volume, and I will be doing a video on volume here soon. So look out for that. Another high flyer that has recently been coming off, and that's what's leading to the contribute of the NASDAQ and the S&P sort of stumbling today. Adobe down another 3%, down to 603. What did lead today? There was BABA bounced off the bottom at 145 and change. It bumped up 3.5%, up to 150. JP Morgan Financials, it went up 166, up to 2.4%. What else happened? Energy also rose today, pretty big today. So those were the things driving the markets. Commodities world, what happened in commodities world? Gold stayed flat. Silver rose 0.9 at 22.6. Copper stayed flat at 4.2. Oils, they rose about 1.9% to 75.4 and 78.6. Nat gas, it rose to its roughly around 10-12 year high, up 12%, up to 5.8. So that's a huge, for me, I look as that as an inflationary gauge right there, along with some people have been saying oats in commodities. This is why I do commodities with you guys. Corn, it actually got a 2.5% rise up to 5.39. Soy stayed flat at 12.8. Cotton, it rose 2%. Um, Cattle, it stayed flat at 1.2, and hogs rose 3.3%. So those are things that you have to look in the markets, and it shows like what directly affects everything else. So just look for that in the news. But anyways, crypto, really quick. Crypto, it went down 1% for Bitcoin, 42,790. Ethereum's at 2,969 at 2.9%, and ADA is down 3.6%, and Solana's up actually, up 3.8. And like I did say, VIX slightly rose at 1.5%, up to 20.12. Dixie, it rose 0.07, up to 93.39. And that's that. In the futures world, um, the Dow, it gained earlier today about 1% before pulling back on weakness in the other indexes. But it's up to 34,856, up 0.17. And S&P, it rose, or it fell, excuse me. It's at 4,444, or 40, down a third of a percent. And then the Nasdaq, it was laggard today, down 0.88%, down to 15,195. And that's going to happen with the Nasdaq. It is a inverse correlation to inflation, and you just have to watch out for that. So if there's inflation news, tech gets hit a little bit, and it devalues their valuations. So you have to look out for that. But what did lead were, like I said, the Dow earlier, and the Russell 2000. It rose 1.27. So it was, small caps were the leader today. But anyways, that's just happening for today, Monday. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'm glad here you were with me another week, week 6. Look forward to everything, and just keep looking out for the markets. This is 217 Top Trades. Goodbye.